Hello YouTubers, if you have problem with your ventilation, if you hear some clicking noises when you turn this knob on maximum heat or maximum cool, I will show you what is the problem. The problem is located down below. You will need to unscrew this servo motor from its place, disconnect this jack and this cable. Now I will show you what is generating that clicking noise. First we must open this box, split it on the half, and here it is. This gear is making problems. Not this, but this one. As you can see, the gears are eaten out. So you have two solutions. To buy that gear, you have on the eBay metal one, or you can buy another Chinese servo for about same price as that gear. Now I will open it just to see what is inside. Okay, no more warranty. I am okay with that. Let's see. The thing looks cheaper, but it is okay. It is lubricated. I will put it back and hope that will work. So solution 1, replace that gear, or solution 2, replace whole servo. Let's go to the vehicle. Okay, now I will put it back, connect that plug. This pin goes into that plastic. Now when you're rotating heater knob, you will see that lever goes up and down. This time without clicking noises. Now put this cap on. And that's it. And that's it. Okay, it looks fine now. No more clicking noises at maximum heat or maximum cool position. If you hear that clicking noises and you don't want to replace that module, you can set this temperature knob on maybe on middle, and it will stop before it starts clicking. Okay, let's go for a little ride to warm engine up to test this servo. Heating is off now. Temperature is rising. It is pretty warm outside. 25 degrees at 9 p.m. Very hot day today. Temperature goes to around 35 degrees on the day. So it is very important to have servo working properly. Okay, now it is blowing cool air, only ventilation. Now I will try to add some heat and we can hear some changes at blowing sound, and it starts blowing warm air. Oh my god, we will put that off, turn on air condition, and I think the problem is done. So thank you for watching, press like and subscribe if you like this video. Goodbye.